Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. I have some beautiful plants to share with you. So let's start off with the mind-blowing poinsettias. Look at the beauty of the poinsettias, and it reminds us that Christmas is approaching. All of them are the poinsettias, but look at the difference in the color, the different colored bracts. This is baby pink in color, some are red. Beautiful. Now another plant that reminds us about Christmas is the zygocactus or the Christmas cactus. And look at the different flowers. This is the red one. This is the pure white one. Beautiful. Actually, it had become quite some time I had visited the Gorkhe hut, where a few plant stalls are put up every Sunday. So I made a point to visit it today. And these are what I saw. Here is the peperomia. I had this peperomia, but it died. And that's the syngonium, standing tall among the peperomia. These are the few succulents. Actually today I had gone mainly to pick up some succulent, but I didn't find it very attractive. So these are the ones that I saw. Actually I don't know the exact name. These are the aloe. Actually I have lost 90% of my succulents during the monsoon, so I was thinking about them. I was missing them. That's why I wanted to get some home. Now that's the monstera. This is a pretty bougainvillea plant. Look at the flowers already out there. This is the alocasia, the only alocasia that I saw there today. This is an interesting plant. This is the philodendron ring of fire, and that too, it is variegated. Look at the variegation. How beautiful. Standing tall and getting all the attention. Now this is the zygocactus, and the best part is that the plant was in full bloom. Everywhere there were flowers. Let's move on to the jade plant or the Crassula ovate, which is said to be a lucky plant. Now these are also Crassula ovate, but it is the variegated one. Two different types are growing here, and the winter sun will help them to color up. Now this is the Hoya or the Hindu rope. That is too is the Hoya. Now this is the painted lady, all ready to be taken home in a hanging pot. Now this is also the Hoya, the Hindu rope. Now moving on to the zygocactus again. Look at the beauty. Red in color, red flowers everywhere. Pretty. Now this is one succulent that was there in the store, but somehow I was not interested. I don't know why. These are the cacti in the background. Now this is the Crassula, the variegated one, and I think this is the peperomia. This one I don't know what it is. And that's the orange marmalade, the philodendron again. And I don't know what that one is. This was also an ornamental plant. There is the snake plant. And in this place quite a number of plants had been placed. There is the syngonium, the milk confetti. It was in tiny glasses, as I already have that plant. I had no interest in that. I think this is the orange marmalade again, the philodendron. I too bought a plant for myself from one of the stalls, which I am going to show you in one of my plant videos. So thank you my friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.